This has to be the ultimate view in Hong Kong. I mean, look at it. And on a sunny day, I am now in the Regent Hong Kong with this long window seat, the world's longest window seats in this hotel. It's simplification. They really have not put anything memorable in the room at all because they don't need it. The view does it all. There are some clever things. I really like having a socket and USB ports at the end of the long window seat, so you can sit here and work and plug in. In fact, the main decoration in the room is this glorious inset gold ceiling. These are leather covered, and the safe is down there. The wet room has the most amazing bar. Next door, not in the wet room, there's a pretty amazing wash basin too. Goes on forever. I like the dark grey robes. I'm going to finish back looking out at that view. I love the soft carpet everywhere.